Está crecido, tenemos 3 horas de estar esperando. Ya se...
Dale más, dale. No, es que allá abajo está más seco, Castellón. Dale, lo que se me hace abuela a mí.
This is one of the typical bad roads in Nepal that drivers still have to pass through every day. These drivers are not only good at driving techniques but also need their courage and concentration to overcome harsh terrain. Red dirt roads in deep forests often become challenging roads for trucks carrying wood, especially when it rains. It seems that the drivers are so used to this that every time they walk in front of them there is a bulldozer to assist them in difficult times. The bulldozer will be responsible for pulling the logging truck out of that muddy road. Seeing the bulldozer, they knew that no challenge was too big, no path too difficult that they couldn't overcome. Continuing, a bulldozer is trying its best to pull the trucks, even though they are heavy over steep.
كل يوم في كل ساعة.
وهكذا المسافرين اليمنيين يستقبلون رمضان في الخطوط اليمنية من
Dangerous situation, the truck lost control, causing it to slide off the curve at the top of the hill. This is Al Jin Road in Yemen, known as one of the most dangerous roads not only in Yemen but also in the world. The 5-ton M939 series is a powerful and reliable line of military vehicles produced for the United States military. This vehicle is designed to endure harsh terrain conditions and carry heavy loads in all situations. Equipped with a powerful engine, durable transmission and smooth suspension, this vehicle offers outstanding performance. In this video, see its power to easily overcome muddy and flooded roads. In addition to military use, the M939 5-ton vehicles are used in off-road operations and work requiring heavy load capacity. The combination of strength, durability and adaptability of this vehicle is the reason why many people are passionate and love it. It's extremely impressive. The driver and their vehicle crossed the river easily using their skill and courage.
Lando.